Hi guys, so I'm Meryl Dries, one of the ZUWIT graduates sa bootcamp. I'm from batch 297 and currently I'm a working student with full-time work and full-time schooling. Plus, I have two freelancing from Australia and US. I'm 25 years old. Since I've started from coding, it's really my passion. So that time I selected ZUWIT from one of my selected training camp. I prefer calling it training camp since it's more fun and challenging. My aspirations in learning web development is not really specifically from the web development, but for the software development, in which I really have the passion in coding and especially the challenges that I've always faced during my first course. Actually, I have 2 degrees already if I finish this first one, the second one. So it's really for me, it's really fun, especially in my early 20s. So now that I'm in my mid 20s, it's really upskilling and more challenge. And I think I have this drive and passion to finish from what I've started. At first, syempre nandun yung kaba, tsaka takot. Kasi yung especially yung requirements sa computer mo, then what if hindi ka makahanap ng employer kaagad, what will happen to you? As of course, from my situation, I'm a working student. So financially, ako lang talaga po mag-isa. So nandun din po rin po. So isa sa mga highest risk of investment ko po ito sa sarili ko. And ngayon hindi na po ako nagsisisi kasi bawi. As a bootcamper po, enrolled in a payment method of study now, pay later, it really helps me a lot kasi during my training with ZUWIT, especially sa instructor, medyo nakaka-less po sa isipin ko na kailangan ko magbayad every month during my training. So, nung nakahanap na po ako nung work from, naka-jump na po from my employer, dun po nag-roll over yung ledger ko or yung accounts ko kay ZUWIT na monthly yung payment. And sobrang easy lang po kasi sa debit card ko na talaga siya or kumbaga sa pinaka-savings ko na siya pumapasok or kumakaltas pala, hindi pumapasok. Kumakaltas. So, it's really beneficial to my end. Ako kasi may ugali na gusto ko detail, yung himay-himay yung topic. Then, when I entered ZUWIT, from Miss Hillary to Miss Cam, himay-himay talaga, like yung syntax, para saan yun, yung hanggang tuldok, hanggang tutuldok, hanggang sa everything, like the brackets, ano yung mga, himay-himay nila talaga yung details. And as in, pagdating sa amin, wala ka nang mako-question kasi nga, na-explain nila from, like parang, they really is expert sa mga tinatakil nila and sa kung saang field sila talaga naka-assign. Especially nung full stack na po talaga. Talagang amaze ako kasi na-deliver nila ng maayos yung mga lessons. Kasi may guidelines po na binibigay si ZUWIT from instructor. So, sila talaga, sobra yung effort talaga nila on teaching us like here and from the database, from the MVC, and especially open po sila sa mga questions and yun po hindi naman masyadong seryoso din yung usapan kasi may times na siyempre 5:30 to 9:30 medyo paggabi na, so nakakaantok, may times na nakakaantok kasi yung iba galing work pa. So sina Miss Cam, nakakatuwa sila magturo kasi may joke time and talagang very interactive kahit na online yung classes po namin. For bootcamp experience, as live advice, push nyo na yan, take risk, and huwag kayong panghihinaan ng loob. Kasi everything has its reason naman talaga. And basta confident kayo sa sarili nyo na pag nasimulan nyo, tapusin ninyo. Huwag nyong isipin na mahirap kasi dadayain talaga kayo nung self ninyo na or i-pull down talaga kayo na mahirap. So, pangit yun na mindset. So, mas maganda na kaya ko and gagawin ko lahat basta matapos nyo yung training and may matutunan kayo every day. Huwag niyong hahayaan na wala kayong matutunan in every single day kasi isa yun sa mga disadvantage ninyo, especially in the youth today. Actually, yung mga kasabayan ko, 19 years old, ang gagaling sa coding. So, isa yun sa mga challenges natin. So, especially 25 pa lang ako, pero naano na din ako sa mas bata. So, isipin nyo na lang na as a adult one or mas matanda, kaya pa rin natin makipagsabayan. And isa sa mga natutunan ko din sa soft skills po is yung hindi na po ako mahiyain and nagsasalita na po ako kasi nung nakita ko ni Ma'am Hillary and ni Miss Cam, hindi po talaga ako palaimik. Always have the patience po to really upskill and self-study after the training kasi hindi pwedeng okay, may natutunan ako sa Zuwit, di na ako magpa-practice, di ko na itutuloy. Yun. So, it's a big no. It's a big red flag for your career kasi kailangan hindi staggered yung pag-aaral mo po and tuloy-tuloy lang dapat talaga. Kasi pag nakalikdang ka ng ilang days, like 2 days or 3 days, like maninibago ka na and kailangan yung katawan mo po is masanay sa ganong routine, especially bago lang po yung mga bootcamper, especially the shifters and the new na papasok sa Zuwit. Kailangan prepared nyo yung katawan niyo to have this kind of burnout na tinatawag. And especially isa po sa mga i-remind ko na lang din is kailangan physically and emotionally ready ka po talaga. Kasi pag tinry mo siya because the society is in hype sa tech, medyo risky yon and you are also sacrificing your life sa kasi programming is a lifetime commitment. So lifetime na pag-aaral yan hanggang siguro mag-retire ka here in the Philippines. So it's really advisable na kailangan 100% na ka talaga, committed and sure ka. Kasi pag sumabay ka lang talaga sa uso, medyo mahirap. Kasi tech is tech and management is management. Iba.